Yogananda Sangha in Australia offered spiritual healing and taught science of completion to around 100 people in Melbourne in a stall hosted in Conscious Living Expo. Nitya Dhyan meditation session was also conducted.
What I feel is when you understand the context in which Mahadeva's love current just flows on, you start living your life so much better. Instead of putting yourself down in so many ways, instead of thinking life is doing this to me, all these bad things are happening, instead of thinking that, you'll start looking at everything in such a nice way and you'll start arranging yourself and others much better around you when you understand the context.
What I also feel is that only if you are living from the context, you'll even be able to grasp the love current of Mahadeva. Otherwise, you'll only keep thinking that why is life hurting me so much? Why is life always trying to take things away from me? And why is life exploiting me? So always your thought current will be only in this way. But only when you live and decide and do every action from the context as the Upanishads are describing, only then you will even be able to grasp the love current of Mahadeva. Otherwise, till then it will only be like acting like, really did this happen, I am sorry for it. So it will just be very superficial and hypocritic. Only if you understand the context, you will even be able to grasp the love current of Mahadeva.
Points. See, once in Satsang Swamiji told, we only look at the utility value of the people and not the quality value of people. We always only look, okay, so she is there to do this work for me, she is there to do that work for me. Only that's all we think. But actually, if you take the example of your mother, she is doing everything out of a pure love for you. She asks not to do everything. She asks not to do anything for you, but she has a pure love for you to do it. So only when you start looking at the people with the quality of the people instead of the utility value of the people, you will start getting selfless love in you.
I have an experience to share about this. A few months ago, I had a book which I really liked a lot and I used to be really attached to it, and then suddenly one day it got lost and I felt really powerless that time, and I thought, why is life constantly taking things away from me? Why am I losing so many things? And I got really powerless. And then just a few days later in the satsang, actually after a few days I just forgot about it and I just moved on with my life. Then in the satsang, Swamiji was explaining about the fear of losing things and how Kalavera just pulls out what you're scared of just to make you complete with that. So that time I felt complete and I realized that life was taking that away from me just to make me realize that I can live even without that. So after I completed that, and I felt complete even with not having it, but I was still ready to take responsibility and find it. When I felt that, immediately some miracle happened and just I found my book lying in the place where I had already looked before. So just when I decided to be complete and look properly, I found the book. So with this I just want to say that when I completed and understood that life is so compassionate, just helping me in every level, I felt complete and I got what I wanted.
I've been planning to come for IA for a few years, 3-4 years already. So we've been planning to come for very long, but haven't found the right time to come. Now, before going into university, I think it would be a good, fresh, new start for me before I go into something so rigorous, something so new. So hoping to get that burst of energy before I enter university. I was working part-time. I was doing an internship for 6 months, and then I had to cut it short in order to make it for May, because I thought I cannot wait until July, so let's have it in May. And it's in Varanasi, so thought it would be nice to come.
Again, just like yesterday, literally this place is love current of Mahadeva. It is literally love current of Mahadeva.
Even this morning, Satsang Swami was saying he's going to have Shivoham in Varanasi, which is going to be 200 times more powerful than in any other Shivoham process. So looking forward to that definitely.
From Trinidad and Tobago. This is my third IA, and I'm very excited to be here. I'm very much looking forward to the Shivoham experience and the third eye initiation. So being here is awesome. So I can't wait for IA to start. Thank you.
And this is my 4th consecutive IA. Okay, I'm addicted. But what brought me here is I've never been to Varanasi, and I guess being in Varanasi in the Master's presence, that is what brought me here, and I'm really honored and glad that I'm able to come and be here. 200 times more powerful. So that's a lot to perceive. I don't know how to perceive that.
Swami said it, in the morning. So I am here. What are you doing there? So same thing. He's here. So join him here in Varanasi.